A constitution is the fundamental law of a nation. It outlines the structure of government. It defines the powers and duties of government institutions. It guarantees rights to citizens. In this essay, we will delve into the constitutional frameworks of four diverse nations: the United States, the United Kingdom, India, and South Africa. We will explore their unique features. We will analyze their similarities. We will contrast their differences. By doing so, we aim to gain a deeper understanding of how these frameworks shape governance, protect rights, and adapt to societal changes. These nations represent a spectrum of constitutional models. The United States, with its written constitution, embodies a federal republic. The United Kingdom, in contrast, operates under an unwritten constitution. India, a vibrant democracy, showcases a federal parliamentary system. South Africa, emerging from a history of apartheid, presents a constitution deeply rooted in human rights. Understanding these constitutional frameworks is crucial. It allows us to comprehend the distribution of power within a state. It helps us appreciate the relationship between the government and its citizens. Furthermore, it sheds light on the mechanisms for protecting fundamental rights. The United States Constitution, adopted in 1787, is the world's oldest written national constitution. It established a federal system. This system divides powers between a national government and state governments. The Constitution's framers were deeply committed to limited government. They designed a system of separation of powers. This system divides governmental authority among three branches: the legislative, executive, and judicial. Each branch has distinct powers. Each branch can check and balance the others. The Bill of Rights, comprising the first 10 amendments, guarantees fundamental rights. These rights include freedom of speech, religion, and the press. They also include the right to bear arms and the right to a fair trial. Judicial review, a cornerstone of the US system, empowers the Supreme Court to invalidate laws that contradict the Constitution. The amendment process, though rigorous, allows for adaptation to changing societal norms. The United Kingdom's constitution is unique. It is unwritten. It is not codified in a single document. Instead, it is a collection of historical documents, legal precedents, and conventions. This includes Magna Carta from 1215, the Bill of Rights from 1689, and the Act of Settlement from 1701. Parliamentary sovereignty is paramount. Parliament, the supreme lawmaking body, holds the power to make or unmake any law. The UK system is characterised by a fusion of powers. The executive branch, or the government, is drawn from and accountable to the legislature, which is Parliament. The judiciary, while independent, plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law. The UK Constitution is flexible. It can adapt to changing circumstances without formal amendments. New laws and interpretations of existing laws can modify constitutional principles. Section 4. The Indian Constitution. Balancing unity and diversity in a federal democracy. India's constitution, adopted in 1950, is a testament to its commitment to democracy and social justice. It establishes a federal system with a strong central government. It recognizes 22 official languages, accommodating the country's immense linguistic and cultural diversity. The Indian constitution is the longest written constitution in the world, guaranteeing fundamental rights to all citizens. The Indian system is characterized by parliamentary democracy. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are accountable to the Parliament. The Constitution enshrines judicial review, with the Supreme Court acting as the guardian of the Constitution. The amendment process, while not as rigid as in the US, requires special majorities in Parliament. Section 5. The South African Constitution, a testament to transformation and human rights. The South African Constitution, adopted in 1996, is a beacon of hope and transformation. It emerged from the ashes of apartheid, committed to healing divisions and founded on the values of human dignity, equality, and freedom. It establishes a parliamentary republic with a strong emphasis on human rights. The Bill of Rights is comprehensive, protecting a wide range of civil, political, social, and economic rights. The South African system emphasizes constitutional supremacy, with the constitution being the supreme law of the land. Any law inconsistent with it is invalid. The judiciary plays a crucial role in upholding the Constitution. The amendment process is designed to be deliberative and inclusive, requiring special majorities in Parliament and, in some cases, approval from provincial legislatures.